Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Choosing the right critical illness insurance policy. You never know when the unexpected can happen. That's where critical illness insurance comes in. By understanding what it is and what it covers, you can help provide financial protection for yourself and your loved ones in the event of a future emergency or illness. What is critical illness insurance? Critical illness insurance is an insurance policy that operates under a state's insurance department. It can help provide supplemental insurance benefits for medical emergencies like heart attack, stroke, organ transplants, cancer, or coronary bypass. Additionally, its benefits can help pay for non-medical related costs, including transportation and child care. Since these emergencies or illness often have high medical costs and require extensive medical care, some policies have a lump sum benefit to help cover costs where traditional health insurance might not. This is when choosing the right critical illness policy becomes important. And then, what is critical illness insurance policy? No one is exempt from experiencing a serious or sudden illness. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 795,000 people in the United States have a stroke every year. The diagnosis of a critical illness such as stroke, heart attack, or cancer can cause an immediate financial strain on any family. Health insurance policies don't always cover all expenses associated with critical illness, leaving individuals with the responsibility to pay the differences or entire cost of treatment. Critical illness insurance policies are insurance policies that may be able to reduce the weight of any financial burdens resulting from the diagnosis of a serious illness by providing a cash payout to help cover medical and other expenses after diagnosis. Critical illness insurance policies provide benefit in addition to any existing major medical coverage you already have. In the event of a heart attack, stroke, cancer, or other serious illness, the insured can receive a lump sum cash or specified payment amount to help manage expenses. The choice on how you'd like to use this assistance is yours. This benefit can assist with covering costs such as out-of-pocket medical expenses such as co-pays and deductibles that medical insurance may not cover, experimental procedures, daily living expenses including mortgage or rent payment while you're recovering, transportation expenses such as traveling to and from treatment facilities, installing in-home ramps, or retrofitting vehicles to carry wheelchairs or scooters. Other non-medical costs related to the illness. Choosing the right insurance policy. Since there are numerous critical illness policies to choose from, you'll want to carefully review each one to determine which is most suitable for you and your loved ones. Coverage limits can vary, and not everything you are looking for may be offered. Therefore, it's important to discuss your option and any questions you may have with your insurance company or a licensed insurance agent. Why get critical illness insurance? Ultimately, having a critical illness insurance policy can help alleviate some of the worry associated with medical costs. Also, it provides flexibility as the money paid out can typically be used as you wish to cover a wide range of needs. As with any types of insurance, there can be drawbacks as well, so it's beneficial to discuss your needs with your insurance company or a licensed insurance agent before making a final decision. It is important to note critical illness insurance cannot be a substitute or alternative to comprehensive major medical coverage. Thanks for watching. See you the next video and bye bye.